Busy signal takes aim at criminal Yeng Yeng riders. The long-standing problem of marauding criminals using Yeng Yeng motorcycles to carry out murder, robbery and general mayhem across Jamaica, has come under scrutiny from dancehall superstar Busy Signal, who has taken to the studio to address the matter and issue security tips to Jamaicans. Yesterday the Stay So artist released the song Yeng Yeng, giving his own commentary on the problem of bikes featuring in criminal activities, which has been plaguing Jamaica for close to 20 years now, but appears to have intensified during the pandemic due to the easy access to the Chinese-made Yeng Yeng and in spite of major crackdowns by the police. This morning Busy posted a message from a supportive fan, who said that he owned a Yeng Yeng but was not offended by the song as he did not like the bikes either. Me no trust not in Pontang, Yeng, worsty one dem way keep up problem drug. Too much criminal unity place. Me no trusty bike boy dem try run go tell de trouble mecca dem drug. Something new feel right when them pull up body stoplight. Me no trust not in pond bike Busy declare. However, even as he points out that there were honest Yeng Yeng riders who were simply trying to make a daily living, the number of criminals in possession of the motorcycles, aiming to snatch phones and purses, was too much for comfort. If you like this video, click on another video at the end of this one. And remember to like, share and subscribe and turn on your notification button. Probox, 80 wagons and some other models of Nissan motor vehicles did not escape Busy's attention, as these have been deemed by the police to be the vehicles of choice for criminals. From as far back as 2004, the Jamaica Constabulary Force expressed grave concern about the use of high-speed motorcycles believed to be owned by dangerous inner-city gangs, in a series of murders, extortions and carjackings. He told the Gleaner at the time that the motorcycles are used by gang members in drive-by shootings, contract killings and quick getaway and high-profile robberies. The petitioner had argued, among other things, that law-abiding citizens were in constant trepidation whenever the bikes are heard approaching, and emerging use of them in criminal activities, including robberies and drive-by shootings.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Country girl, country boss, rebel, trini boss, nuclear boss, all of the people there. Big up. Yo, me like that youth ya. Busy Signal. Yo, him a one of the only DJ and artists in a Jamaica where come out and look out upon the bike man them, the Yeng Yeng bike, and look out upon the criminality and the killing and everything we have won. Now, if you notice how we do him thing, the man make sure him put him thing in a song, because he's an artist, so he use him platform to express how him feel about what's going on and send a signal. Now, I wish if more artists would have followed that youth step. You understand? Busy Signal, my art, countryman art goes off to you, and you are the artist, and you are the artist of the year. Yo, me go log on your Instagram page and me go sign up on your Instagram page, my youth. You is the perfect example of what the artists them and the musician and the people them, the big Sean Paul, the Shaggy, the this, the that, all of them should have talk about. Even that boy where they are prison, Vibes Cartel, my lord. Remember me tell you, yo, when I see that article here, I say no, I have to really put it out and talk about it. You understand? And my art goes off to Busy Signal in track. You can check out in track, it's up on YouTube and have it on Instagram. And like me say, the youth here, the man speak out. If you looking at the media, pussy wall beanie man, girl mascot, him not do them thing there. Bounty killer, Busy Signal. Bounty killer, Busy Signal. Then they are the only two artists and the two musicians them at Jamaica with me here at the Morgan Heritage, the Bob Marley them, and none of them blood clot there. Nah talk about the crime and the violence. Them live in a them bubble uptown. You understand? they mix up with the criminal them, and they mix up in all sort of thing. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember that myself to like, share, make sure you share this and subscribe and hit the notification button, turn it on, you understand? And my ads go off to busy signal, yo. Respect my youth. And remember, stay tuned and click and watch the other video because it related to this one. My name is Countryman. I'm out.